Have you ever thought about starting your own garden? There's nothing quite like the joy of nurturing your own plants, the magic of watching them grow. Gardening can relieve stress, boost home value, and provide fresh produce. Planning a garden layout doesn't have to be complicated. Let's break it down into simple steps. First and foremost, decide what you want to plant. The choices are limitless, but keep in mind your local climate and soil type. If you're a beginner, consider easy starters like herbs or tomatoes. Once you've decided what to plant, it's time to pick the perfect spot. The location of your garden is crucial for your plant's growth. Sunlight exposure, soil quality, and access to water all play a pivotal role. Unsure about your soil? Consider a simple test. With the perfect spot chosen, let's move on to designing the layout. Designing a garden layout is where your creativity comes into play. Considerations like plant size, growth rate, and compatibility are crucial. Why not try sketching a rough garden design? It's a fun way to plan. With a well-thought-out layout, you're ready to start gardening. So, are you ready to get your hands dirty? To wrap up, identify your plants, pick the perfect location, and design your layout. Embrace the journey, even the trials and errors. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!